Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download the Breath of the Wild Datapack. The Breath of the Wild Datapack brings the Legend of Zelda to your Minecraft world. This datapack adds a lot of new naturally generating structures and mobs into the game, including ruins, shaker towers, bokoblin camps, shaker tech labs, and many more. With this datapack, you'll be able to fight bokoblins and guardians, therefore obtaining a ton of new items like shaker slates or fully functioning elemental arrows and rods. This datapack even includes optifine lighting features, so it's best played with a shader. If you want to find out how to download this datapack, keep on watching. We'll be showing you how to do so in the next step. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. When you're there, simply scroll down until you see the Breath of the Wild Datapack button. When you click that button, it'll redirect you to the creator's website. Simply press download datapack for the datapack zip to download. When that's done, we recommend you move the zip to a place where you can easily access, for example, your desktop. There you want to open up the zip and then drag out the folders inside separately. Once that's done, make sure to delete the zip as we're no longer going to be using it in this video. Then, all you have to do is click on each folder and press Add to RAW. That'll produce two zips which you want to keep. When that's done, you're ready to go on to the next step. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. In this case, the server version should be set to 1.19.2. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the datapack onto a world you've already created. This datapack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the datapack enabled after. Firstly, what you're going to do is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Datapacks folder. Here's where you're going to drag the datapack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the datapack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the datapack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here's where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual. Just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Datapacks. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area you save the datapack zip to. Once you found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double click on your World folder and then go into the Datapacks folder. If you see the datapack zip inside, it means you followed these steps correctly. Now that the datapack is uploaded onto the server, we have to make sure the resource pack is also installed. To do that, you'll want to head back to the Files tab. Then open up the Server.properties file and look for the line saying Resource Pack. After the equals, you want to right click and paste the link to the required resource pack. We ourselves have uploaded that file to our Dropbox, so if you'd like you can use our link, it'll be in the description. Alternatively though, you can upload the resource pack to any website that supports creations of hotlinks and put your own hotlink into the Server.properties file. Before continuing, make sure to press Save File to confirm the changes, and then all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by restarting your server. After it's booted up, head to the dashboard and copy the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server, and in the server address section, paste the host name. When you join the server, you'll be prompted with this pop-up asking if you want to download and install the required texture pack. We recommend pressing yes, so every time you join the server in the future, it'll be automatically enabled. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!